gotta find a better way. Just keep on going. Look, have you ever felt like you can't do nothing? All I can think is how to find a way to get to that money. Can't go back broke, I swear that shit just made me sick to my stomach. These niggas faking, all I ever did was keep it 100. Ay, and you can't tell me I'm different. Been in my A, they say I left, I was just gone for a minute. Shit ain't the same when I came back, what's going on, I don't get it. Ran up my digits, kept my distance, now they all in they feelings. So I don't get them, sick and tired of motherfuckers trying to make me the victim. I mind my business while I'm minding my business. Swear they don't get it, trying to find a way to get to these riches. God is my only witness, I just bow my head for forgiveness. Cause you gon' see some rainy days, it's gon' be storming. Just gotta find a better way, just gotta keep on going. Ay, when all the dark clouds go away, the sun gon' be shining. Ay, don't ever think about the pain, you just gotta keep grinding. Ay, look, we gon' see some better days, gotta find a better way. Tryna stay up out the rain, but shit keep getting in my way. Ain't tripping off what niggas say, because we still gon' get that pay. Gotta put it in the safe for days when shit don't go our way. I can't trust a soul, bruh, gotta keep that pole tucked. Niggas, they be hating, man, they don't even know us. I know they ain't with it, man, they gon' have to show us. Told them niggas pull up, they ain't even show up. I just gotta roll up, had to get my own up. I ain't never gave a fuck, that's probably why they envious. I just want that money, man, tryna run a milli plus. I ain't never giving up, feel like I ain't did enough. But anyway, I still wake up every day tryna get that pay. Bro down bummy, down on my ass, so shit don't get that way. Cause I done been through shit in my past, I won't forget them days. No time to reminisce about that, it's time to get this pay. Cause you gon' see some rainy days, it's gon' be storming. Just gotta find a better way, just gotta keep on going.